this Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts with bacon. Chinese name called培根炒孢子甘蓝. The main ingredient we need the Brussels sprouts, probably half pound, and we need a bacon. We need just half bacon, and probably 8 ounces bacon, and 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, and 1 scallion. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. This scallion already washed and pick the dry leaves and dry and make it clean and wash it. So I just chop it. So probably like this big. Is the garlic, the scallion, and the ginger we got. Okay, we cut Brussels sprouts. Those Brussels sprouts I already cut the connecting part off and peel the dead skin outside, and also use the water wash it. And right now I just cut it. Cut the Brussels sprouts. We cut it from the middle, so it become 2 pieces. This way to get a good seasoning. Those Brussels sprouts we get. Okay, we cut the bacon. We just need a half bacon, so we cut it from the middle. The other half we'll keep it in Ziploc bag for the other dish to use. Let's get it out. Cut it like this wide, the bacon. Okay, those bacons we get. Turn the stove, medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil and rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the bacon into it. And then slowly fry the bacon until the bacon become mostly crisp. The outside is crispy and the fat and in the bacon they go to the oil. Just slowly fry. When most of the fat in the bacon and it come to the oil, we add the ginger and scallion into it. Ginger and scallion. And slowly fry until the scallion and the ginger release good smell. When the scallion and the ginger release good smell, the bacon mostly become crispy. You think it's brown, and most fat and go to the oil. Then we put the Brussels sprouts into it. This is the 13 spices. We add a pinch of 13 spices, all fine spices, or just a pinch of black pepper to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. Add by side of the pot. This is the salt. We add half teaspoon salt to it. This is add half cup cold tap water by the edge of the pot into it. And mix it. Cover the lid and slowly cook until the Brussels sprouts is fully cooked, become soft, easy to chew. Okay, we mix it stir fry the Brussels sprouts, and we can try the Brussels sprouts. It's so good. It's fully cooked. If you are not sure, you need a chopstick to poke the stem, this part of the. If it's easy to go through, that means the Brussels sprouts is fully cooked. So this dish is done. We turn off the stove. So the fried Brussels sprouts with the bacon, and this dish is done. I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comments. See you next time.